Hey friends, if you've ever wanted to publish your own coloring book and start selling it on Amazon, Etsy, or even your own store, today's video is for you. And trust me, this one's adorable. Let's jump into the Animals in Sweetland Coloring Book PLR bundle. This isn't just a coloring book, it's a done-for-you publishing business in a single download. You get hundreds of high-quality pages, ready-made covers, plus bonuses that can turn one purchase into multiple income streams. So here's what you get. Over 300 adorable coloring pages, including unicorns, bunnies, pandas, and cats, all living in candy-themed worlds. You also get 120 cover artworks and 40 done-for-you covers that are upload-ready. And 6 bonus packs, from fantasy creatures to kawaii doodles, mandalas, butterflies, and more. And the best part? This is full PLR, meaning you can edit it, rebrand it, and sell it as your own, keeping 100% of the profits. The coloring book niche is booming, from kids' mindfulness books to adult stress relief titles. With PLR, you skip the hardest part, creating the content, and go straight to selling. Whether you're on Amazon, KDP, Etsy, or Gumroad, this is a super fast way to launch. Here's how easy it is. Download the bundle from the link in the description, customize by tweaking covers in Canva and adding your brand name, publish on your favorite platform, and promote with social media, Pinterest, or even AI-optimized blog posts. Plus, I've added some amazing AI bonuses when you grab this through my link below. These will help you sell faster, create stunning content, and even get more traffic to your store. You don't want to miss them. So if you want to publish your own coloring books without spending weeks designing, check out the link in the description. You'll find the Animals in Sweetland Coloring Book PLR bundle, plus those exclusive bonuses. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tips on creating passive income, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.